Stop losing your code. Every iOS developer needs Git, and in 2026, GitHub is your portfolio, your backup, and your job application. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to learn, the commands that matter, and how to use Git inside Xcode. Save this. Phase 4 of the iOS roadmap starts here. Why Git matters for iOS developers. First, you can undo any mistake. Break your SwiftUI app at midnight. Git brings it back. Second, branches let you try new features without destroying your main code. Third, every professional iOS team uses Git daily. Fourth, recruiters check GitHub. A public portfolio beats a certificate every time. Quick clarity, Git and GitHub are not the same thing. Git is the tool on your Mac that tracks every change in your Xcode project. GitHub is the website where you store and share that code online. You can use Git locally without GitHub, but for jobs, backups, and collaboration, you want both. Think of Git as the engine and GitHub as the garage in the cloud. 5 Git commands cover 90% of your daily iOS workflow. Git init. Start tracking a new Xcode project. Git status. See what files changed. Git add. Stage all your changes. Git commit with a message. Save a snapshot with a description. Git push. Upload everything to GitHub. Master these 5 before anything else. Step 1. Get your iOS project on GitHub. Create a free account at github.com. Click New Repository and name it after your app, like Welcome Card. Copy the remote URL GitHub gives you. In Terminal, run git remote add origin, paste your URL, then git push. Your SwiftUI project is now online, visible to employers worldwide. Step 2. You don't need Terminal for everything. Xcode has Git built in. Open the Source Control Navigator on the left, the branch icon. You can commit, view history, and compare file changes visually. Menu bar, Source Control Commit. For beginners, committing from Xcode is perfectly fine. Learn terminal commands too, but start where you're comfortable. Your daily habit as an iOS developer. After every coding session, even 30 minutes, run this workflow. Git status to see what changed. Git add to stage files. Git commit with a clear message like add login screen UI. Git push to back up to GitHub. Do this daily and you'll never lose a week of SwiftUI work again. 4 Git mistakes that hurt iOS beginners. 1. Never commit API keys, passwords, or Google Service Info. Plus secrets. Use environment variables and add sensitive files to Git ignore. 2. Don't wait a week to commit. Small commits every session are better. 3. Write clear commit messages. Fix login button crash beats, just fix. 4. Add a proper Git ignore so Xcode user data and build folders stay out of Git. Your next step, open Terminal or Xcode and push one SwiftUI project to GitHub today, not tomorrow. Pick your Welcome Card app or any tutorial project and run Git init, commit, and push. Subscribe for SwiftUI tutorials and iOS career tips every week. Comment below, are you using Git already or starting today? I'll reply to everyone.